How to publish your Base44 app on App Store. Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to publish your B44 app to the Apple App Store. Now, before we begin, it's important to understand that you can't directly submit a B44 app to the App Store. That's because B44 apps are progressive web apps, not a native iOS applications, and Apple only accepts native iOS apps. So to publish your app, you'll first need to convert your B44 project into a native iOS app file using a third-party service. In this tutorial, we'll be using appmyweb.net. Before you start, make sure your B44 app is live and published. Copy the full URL of your app. We'll need it soon. Next, open your browser and go to appmyweb.net. Sign in or create a new account if you don't have one yet. On your dashboard, click Create New App when prompted for your app name. Enter the same name as your B44 project that helps users recognize it easily. Then paste your B44 app link into the website field and click Continue. You'll now see a live preview of how your app will appear on iOS devices. Take a moment to scroll and test navigations. Make sure your pages load properly and all features work. If something doesn't look right, go back to your B44 editor, make your changes, republish, and then repeat these steps. Once everything looks good, follow the on-screen steps in appmyweb.net to generate your iOS build. This is usually provided as an IPA file, or you can use the platform's publishing service if available. Keep in mind that you'll need an active Apple developer account to upload your app to the App Store. After generating your iOS build, log into your App Store Connect account and submit your app for review. Apple will check if it meets their Apple Store guidelines. Once approved, your converted B44 app will officially appear in the Apple App Store as a native iOS app. And that's it. Thanks for watching.